Technology is moving fast, annoyingly fast, if we're honest about it. And there's not a whole lot we can do about that. But for some, that pace of change can make it feel like the world is leaving them behind. And I don't like that at all. To my older friends out there, just think for a minute. How many latest and greatest technologies have you seen come and go in your lifetime that you were able to successfully figure out? Plenty. That means there's no reason you can't feel confident, capable, and secure when using modern technology. And you know what? You don't have to figure it out on your own. You see, my parents, they're old school, and they taught me the golden rule, which means I want to help people proactively, whether they ask for my help or not. It's kind of my purpose. And so with that in mind, that's exactly why I host free live streams every single week with this in mind, to share with you practical, well-paced, and simple sessions where you can pick up real skills step by step to help you feel more confident with the devices and technologies that connect you to the things and the people that you love. In time, you won't be calling anyone to have to help you fix this or set up that. But don't worry, if you do run into a tech roadblock, I do one-on-one help sessions as well. You can join us on the live stream by going to YouTube and typing in Friendly Tech Help. Friendly Tech Help. And once you find our logo there, just click on subscribe and be sure to click the bell there so that I can remind you when the live stream will start. That way you don't have to worry about remembering a schedule. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook as well. You can also get more information from our website, getfriendly.help. Again, getfriendly.help. I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the stream so that we can close the digital divide together.